Okay, viewers, LH Inu, low hate Inu, is ready to record more explosive growth in its ecosystem as the token gets an exchange listing. Will list on the OKX crypto exchange on Friday, May 19, 2023. OKX ranks top 5th crypto exchange with over 820 million of 24-hour trading volume, 2.24 million weekly visitors. Lowhead Inu has been running at his pre-sale, which came through different stages. Meme coin generated 10204000, emerging as the biggest crypto fundraiser of the year. OKX Exchange announced the upcoming listing for the LH Inu through its official Twitter page. Open deposit for the token on its platform. Claiming of low hate Inu coins purchased during the pre-sale will start as hour before the OKX listing, so token holders make their claims on Friday, May 19, 2023 at 9 a.m. UTC. If you miss the low hate Inu pre-sale, you can still purchase exchange listing OKX. Low hate Inu will hit explosive returns in the range of 10x. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos update. Goodbye.